Hey, what's up, guys? So let's solve this 690. This employee importance. Okay, so you have idea structure, you have a data structure of employee information, and including unique ID, value, and subordinates ID. And so basically, you got data structure, and it has ID, importance, and subordinates. These are the attributes, and somebody give you ID. So this is the bad idea, right? Because you should be able to use I, but they give you ID. And the ones who have this ID, you need to find the total importance value of the employee and all the direct and indirect subordinates. Okay, maybe hard to understand. So somebody give you ID1 and ID2, ID3. So you can see that 1 corresponding to 2, 3. So 2, 3 is a subordinate. So you need to sum over the importance. So you can see this question is a graph, and then you need to do graph traversal. So I use a standard BFS. If you can use BFS, so it's the same. Okay, so you can use a BFS, and so you start from ID, and then once you start from ID, then you go through its subordinates, and you find the subordinates. You just find it, right? So you just find the subordinates of subordinates, and just keep going. Okay, so the only non-trivial part is that you don't have achieve I, right? So it's simple that you just run through the employees and collect a dictionary which map the ID to I. Okay. Now you define a BFS. This is a Q, and then you append the first ID. So when you pop the node, that you should plug in this dictionary and find I. Okay, so this is yeah, and finds I and finds importance. Okay, and you just keep going. Okay. So you just put all the node connected and append to the Q. That's it. So this is the standard approach that you can solve this problem. See you guys in the next videos.